Hi guys, this is Lakshit here from Mahavir Agencies Chennai, and today ஒரு Baleno வண்டியில சூப்பரான audio upgrades பண்ணிருக்கோம், and we have also done major and minor small upgrades. So வாங்க பாருங்க. So jumping on to the first upgrade directly, we have installed Maruti genuine pass lever at top end steering with leather wrap with chrome finish, and yes, we have also activated cruise control in this car. And next, jumping on to the electrification upgrade, we have installed Pioneer brand lever at 6650 system and with 2 years warranty. Now we'll discuss about the audio upgrades done in this car. So I'll start off with Morel brand lever Maximo Ultra Mark II component installed pannirkom, which comes with very punchy bass and clear vocals because of the neodymium tweeters used. And next, in the coaxial, we have installed Morel brand lever kinetic series or a coaxial, which gives you even and classified output. And to power this entire setup, we have installed SoundMagus brand lever 4-channel amp, which amplifies your entire audio from 100% to 150 to 170%. And next, we have installed underseat subwoofer, which comes again in Kiano Adapt brand, where this bass can be controlled with the presets given right under the steering. So that there are no issues in the future, we have done proper wiring in OFC, and then we have used proper cotton tapes, ferrules and rings which comes in Quadrant brand, so that the customer has no issues in the future. Next major upgrade which I recommend in each and every single of my video, which is damping. We have installed newly introduced Shumoff brand lever damping, which comes in Space 2.0 series. These damping sheets are 2.8 mm sheets, which ensure that there is complete noise cancellations, there is no distortions, there is no rattling noise, there is no vibrations, so that the customer can enjoy the audio perfectly. To focus on the trunk's detailing, we have installed Maruti genuine parts lever bootlight too, so the trunk visibility during the night is very easy. For such more professional upgrades with sophisticated detailing, get in touch with us.